Hey, good morning everyone. We are on our way to Kolad, which is around 140 kilometers from Mumbai, a humble village in the Raigad district of Maharashtra. The village is located alongside the banks of the magnificent river Kundalika. Lately, Kolad is gaining attention as one of the best whitewater rafting spots in Maharashtra. No, we are not going for any water sports. We are going to get soaked ourselves in one of the most imposing valleys amongst lush mountains for a well-deserved rest. In this video, we'll be covering few road pictures, the farmhouse where we'll be going to stay, and its surroundings. Enjoy the trip with us. After around 2 hours drive, we have stopped in this roadside restaurant for a quick breakfast. Hotel Balaram, as it is called, is a clean, small lodge offering food and stay for the travelers. We have ordered Bada Pav, the staple food of Maharashtra, which we will be having inside the car. Expecting it will take another 2 hours to reach our destination. We'll update as we proceed further. We have left the main highway as you can see and has taken the narrow lanes and by lanes followed by this makeshift dusty approach road to the farmhouse. A little off-roading for the car. This makeshift road is fine during dry weather, but during monsoon you have to park your car somewhere down and do a small trek to the villa. This is Breathe Woods, the name of the farmhouse. We'll let the pictures do the talking now. they serve you ghar ka khana. So here we are having our lunch comprising of roti, rice, two sabjis, dal, salad, palak paneer, chicken, and sweets. Quite a menu, isn't it? The food tastes definitely great, but which is more important is the love with which they cook and serve. Amazing. Good things don't last forever, as you know. Here we are back again on our way home. Hope you like this video and we look forward to have you again with us on our next trip. Thank you.